Hello.
Good morning.
Hi, we just been informed your attorney had a family medical emergency. So we're going to reset your case and we're going to reset it in 3 weeks. It will still be your plea deadline date. So that'll be a time for you to let me know if you've reached an agreement with the state or not. You understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I had a 3-week reset, please. All right, so it's going to be July 17th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Jose Martin Garcia Corona. Good morning. Hi.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing okay. On this case, we actually have a jury trial that's scheduled on the 30th.
Okay.
But of course, I was trying to respect the holiday for everyone because that's a short week. So I'm resetting some of the cases from June 30th. Are you okay to return the week of July 7th?
I'm on vacation that week.
All right. So when do you want to return?
I come back on the 8th, actually. No.
Okay. Oh, no, the week of July 7th.
Oh, okay, yes. So I can, any other day that week is.
All right. So Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to recall this for July 10th?
Yes, ma'am.
That's perfect.
All right. And you have contact with your client?
I do not. She was the one that was taken into ICE custody and I.
Okay. Well, we'll have her brought over. All right.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thank you. All right. Aren't we all?
Sir, almost doesn't cut it.
She's going to wait.
Yes.
All right. Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right. So that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming. Julio Hernandez. Who's the attorney for Julio Hernandez? I don't recognize you not in the car driving.
So far, pre-trial violation.
All right. So,
Respectfully,
Yes.
Your Honor, I was just appointed a few days ago on the new case. At this point, I have executed discovery on both cases. No, on one of them, it's a 7th setting, but on the other one, it's my 1st setting.
all
So
right.
I would like to ask this court today for a plea deadline, like in 3rd, and he is remanded without a bond on the older case.
Mhm.
So we are asking this court today, and we're going to have bond recommendation because he picked up the new case while bond on the job on the
All right. You all have to set it for a hearing. And if you speak to Ms. Ferguson, she'll put it on the docket as soon as possible.
Pay close attention here. The judge sets a plea deadline, which is essentially a legal countdown. Before that date, the defendant has the chance to negotiate a deal with the state. Once the deadline passes, the trial process begins, and the options quickly narrow. Think of it as a high-stakes timer, pressure that can make or break a case.
All right. And then we're going to do a plea deadline date on this case.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
on this case, could you set this for a plea deadline date? How old are you, sir?
I am 31 years old.
All right. If you'll set it for the 4th week in July, please.
I can do July 21st.
All right. July 21st would be your plea deadline date. And as far as the bond manner, counsel, just file your motion and Ms. Ferguson will put it on the docket.
Yes, they may have an agreed bond amount, maybe, but we're going to see the bond.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you back on July 21st at the latest. Okay.
Okay, just thank you.
They may be
Welcome.
excused, Your Honor?
Yes. All right. Roxanne Gonzalez. You need to show your video, please. All right. All right. Could you say something so we can see if we can hear you?
Yes, fine. Hello.
Hello. All right. So we have a motion, a violation report saying that you are still drinking alcohol. You're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing to help maintain your sobriety?
Well, I don't drink. It's just a little bit, and I know it's wrong.
No, I cannot hear you. You need to stay still, stop moving around, because when you move around, we can't hear you. So what are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
This is explosive. The defendant was caught drinking while out on bond for a DWI with a child in the car. The judge isn't swayed by excuses about birthdays or family gatherings. Notice how sharp she is. She cites the indictment itself to dismantle the defendant's denial. This is accountability in action. But here's a question for you. Should bond violations automatically lead to jail time, or do warnings still have value?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more. And I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink. And let me just tell you why I know you drink. Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol. And you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest. And if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills after you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Is that true?
You understand? So I'm going to follow through on the recommendation from the state. You're going to continue with ignition interlock. You are going to take the alcohol awareness course, and you're going to do 30 sober meetings in 30 days. If you violate that, a motion is going to be sent to me. It's going to be another violation report. You're going to be required to appear in court and answer for it. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, recall it back for, they had on the 30th, it was going to be a blood discovery.
We're still waiting on the blood evidence. Judge.
All right, Norma, if you'll recall this back for the 4th week in July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just one second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you want to do it the week of the 28th? Or you want to do it the week of the 14th?
Of August.
July.
I'll get back like August 1st, Judge.
All right, so do you want to do it the week of July 14th? Is that good or no?
No, we're going a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, Norma,
Yes,
set this for the week of August 1st. I'm sorry, August 4th.
I can do the 4th.
All right, you're going to be back on August 4th. And state that's the final discovery. So the blood discovery needs to be given to him. And if some reason they don't have the blood discovery, then they need to be here to explain why they don't have it. Criminal Trial Division.
Have you excused, Your Honor?
Yes. Hi. Hi.
Sorry.
That's okay. On Roxanne Gonzalez, we've been waiting for a blood discovery since February.
Did you catch that? The defendant storms in at full volume, and the judge calmly tells him to lower it to about 80. That's not just courtroom wit, it's authority. Judges constantly balance patience with control, and here she uses tone instead of punishment to defuse the situation. It's almost like courtroom jujitsu. But what do you think? Was the judge being too lenient, or was it a perfectly calculated move?
So it's being recalled for August 4th. If for some reason the blood discovery is not in at that time, then someone from that department needs to be down here to explain why it's not completed. Oh, you have it? Ah. So have you tendered an offer to defense?
Yeah.
All right, tender an offer to defense, and defense, then that will be your plea deadline date, August 4th.
This is something, apparently I did.
Judge, you gave me an offer.
All right, your plea deadline date is going to be August 4th.
Thank
After
you.
that, you're going to have a jury trial date. All right, you're excused.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Who is here on Lawrence Cloud? Are you here?
He's in the box, Your Honor.
Mr. Cloud, come down. He is out sick.
Okay, how you doing this morning?
Doing okay? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, best that I can be. You know what I mean? I'm stuck
All right.
in jail.
Okay. So
I
here.
got a couple of objections I'd like to make though about this indictment I got.
All right. So that needs to be done through your attorney.
Well, I haven't talked to the dude. I don't know where he's at. And
He's
so
sick.
but he's always sick. He's supposed to see me in the jail on.
All right.
like-
So let me talk to you.
yeah, go ahead.
All right. So right now you're coming at me at 100. my suggestion is you put it on 80.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so then that means lowering your voice.
Okay, I'm
All right.
sorry. I mean, I talk loud. I'm talking too loud or something?
Yes, you're talking very loud, and usually people up here and whisper. So,
Oh, I'm sorry. I was a Marine. I'm used to talking loud. I want to get my point across. That's all.
well, I mean, you don't have to, talk overly loud for me to hear you and get your point across.
I'm talking as low as I possibly can.
Okay.
Right here.
All right. So what I'm telling you is your plea deadline date is today.
Okay.
Your attorney is ill, so your attorney cannot be here. Your attorney's not going to be here.
Because
Mm-hmm.
really, I have a couple of objections because he hasn't done his job. He ain't come to see me. There's evidence that needs to be brought to light. Some concealment of information that has not been, stowed. When I read the reports, I seen that there was ambiguous natures that was also on the indictment that I received
So
here.
I want you to hear me. So time out. This is the thing. I want you to hear me.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So all of the information that you're giving me right now, that you're saying the indictment is incorrect, it does no good to give you that, for you to give me that information now. You know why? Because your attorney is not here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this case for the week of July 7th. Your attorney will be here. And if your attorney is not here, then we'll address that issue as well. What date, Ms. Ferguson? All right, July 7th. All right, and this is what the other thing I want to tell you.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what was happening between you and the deputy, but
Well,
no. In this courtroom, I require that everyone treat everybody with respect.
And he came at me foul though, so I'm
No. Let me just tell you. Here's the thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is what I've discovered in my time on the planet and my time in working in courts. If you have a judge who is rude and disrespectful to people,
Mhm.
then you know what ends up happening? Everybody on the staff, everybody in court thinks, oh, the judge is rude to people, so it's okay to be rude to people. I don't have people be rude to people. I'm not rude to anybody. So what I can tell you is the deputies, they're not my employees, but I know they're not rude to people. The staff, they're not my employees, but I know they're not rude to people.
That's okay.
The people I'm in charge of hiring is the court coordinator and the court reporter. And guess what? They're not rude to people because I'm not rude to people, and I don't tolerate people to be rude to people. So here's the thing. When you are frustrated over something, that doesn't mean that you take your frustration out over Nope. You don't take your frustration out on other people, because guess what ends up happening? What ends up happening is everybody shuts down. Nobody's listening because you're coming at them in a certain way.
Okay.
So your attorney's not here. There's nothing I can do about your attorney not being here because your attorney is ill. What I can tell you is your attorney was here on April 25th. Your attorney was here on June 2nd. Your attorney is ill. It happens. I don't think he was standing outside saying, please let me get sick so I can't come to court. So we're going to bring you back on July 7th. On July 7th, your attorney will be here and you can discuss what issues you feel you have that are valid concerns or valid motions, and he will talk to you about that.
Okay. Well, can I ask you a question? Because
Sure.
the case has been dismissed, right? And they indicted me, and I've been asking him, when are you going to file a motion to suppress, do this and that? He hasn't done his point.
Mm-hmm.
He hasn't done his job. He's ineffective. I'm like, dude, can you do something about it? I'm going to come visit you. Doesn't come visit me. 183 days go by. Okay.
Mhm.
I've already had a section 17, 1.15 violation where they didn't even give me, DA didn't give me no liberty on that. I'm on parole. So I wanted to go home at that time. I breed dogs and I can't have my liberty to be free at a time when I'm supposed to, because you didn't indict me. And then you indict me at 145 days later. And then my parole states me have to be stuck in jail. I'm tired of being locked up. And then you dismiss the charge. There's the inadequacy of the charge. It doesn't make any sense. The charge is dismissed. Why do I got to stay in jail and have to put up with nonsense if the charge is already dismissed?
All right.
That's
So
a crazy
what I'm
thing.
telling you is that your charges have not been
They're
dismissed.
using the charge as the indictment. I understand that. Yes.
Yeah. So your charges have not been dismissed.
But
And this is the thing. I always tell people to listen.
This is one of the most powerful moments of the entire hearing. By pleading guilty, Svantes isn't just facing prison time. He's also guaranteed deportation and permanently barred from returning to the United States. The judge ensures he fully understands every consequence. It's a harsh reality. One courtroom decision can erase your entire future here. Imagine standing there, knowing that prison isn't the only sentence. You're also losing your home, your family ties, and the life you've built.
Okay.
And what I told you was, it does no good for you to tell me about how you think your case should be dismissed because your attorney is not here. Now, if you just want me to listen to it, I will listen to it, but it does no good for me to listen to it because you have an attorney and your attorney is not here. Your attorney is ill. So we will bring you back on July 7th and we will hear that.
I understand that, but understand where I'm coming from. I'm objecting because I never even evaded arrest, and this is just a bunch of nonsense.
Okay, so let me ask you
It makes no
this.
sense.
Let me ask you this. Are you talking to me about your case?
The indictment and the case itself, I never evaded arrest at all. Okay, the problem was existing.
No. Here's my question. I want you to hear what I'm saying. Are you talking to me about your case?
My indictment and the case is involved with the indictment, of course.
All right, that's either yes or no. Is that what
indeed, I am. Yes.
All right, so did I not say that it does no good for you to speak to me about your case because you have an attorney and that attorney needs to be here? Your attorney is ill, so we're bringing you back on July 7th. All right?
All right, put your hand.
All right, so no. They're going to take you away, okay?
I'm getting my stuff. Man, put your hand in. You need to talk to this dude too. I don't take that from nobody, bro. Put your hands on me like that. I don't give a damn. I know I'm coming back there.
This was one they brought over, I think it was set next week.
Yes, but it's a sharp week and we have a trial setting.
And the trial setting is on my case, which is the state jail, but he has numerous other cases. Mr. Leon's been working on trying to get the discovery, all the documentation we need. So
All right, is your client on bond or in custody? All right, so no. He wasn't going to be brought over today. He's actually set for June 30th for a plea deadline date, but we actually have a jury trial that's set on that date, and it's a short week because it's Independence Day on the 4th. So, what date would you like him brought back?
You tell me, Judge.
You want to do it the week of the 14th, or Norman? The week of July 14th?
Yes, we can do the 14th. We can do 15th.
All right, July 14th.
Yeah, 14th's fine.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
For now.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
All right, who's here on Jose Cervantes?
Present, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012667. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ready?
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012667, 2024 CR 012668, State versus Jose Angel Cervantes. Can I have parties announced?
Michael De Leon for Mr. Cervantes.
And are you Mr. Cervantes?
Yes.
Right, we have an interpreter. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Cervantes, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
Defense, were you able to explain these documents to Mr. Cervantes in Spanish?
Yes,
Counsel, have you received all discovery in each of the cause numbers?
I have, Your Honor.
Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, Mr. Cervantes, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, in the cause number ending in 6-7, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
And the cause number ending in 6-8, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, you're proceeding on part 1 and 18 parts 2 and 3.
No objection.
Mr. Cervantes, did you review the documents entitled court admonishments in each cause number?
Yes.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
And were these documents explained to you by your attorney in Spanish?
Yes.
In each cause number, you're charged with indecency with a child's sexual contact. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these pleas, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Cervantes, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
No.
Off the record for a moment. Cindy, do you need a cough drop or anything? Okay. Let me know when you're ready to proceed. Right. All right, we're back on the record. Mr. DeLeon, did you discuss the immigration implications by entering into a plea in each of these cause numbers with your client?
Your Honor, I have. I've discussed immigration consequences with Mr. Cervantes. I've also gotten a Padilla letter from Ms. Coles Davila, immigration lawyer who went through our entire situation that we have with Mr. Cervantes, and I've explained those immigration consequences to him.
All right, Mr. Cervantes, do you understand by entering into a plea in each of these cause numbers you will be deported?
Yes.
You understand you will not be allowed to re-enter the United States?
Yes.
Do you understand you will be denied naturalization?
Yes.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, your punishment is to be assessed at a $1,500 fine, 8 years in the prison. The cases will run concurrently. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance, and there's to be no contact with the complainants. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, I understand.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is the plea agreement, yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No such motions, Your Honor.
Then, to count one in cause number 2024 CR 012668, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No contest.
And cause number 2024 CR 012667, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No contest.
State, any evidence to support the plea?
In both cases, state law firms will exhibit one and attachments.
We've reviewed that, Your Honor. No objection.
And each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the forms of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yeah.
All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Is there a reason I should accept this plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I have spoken with both of the complainants, both these complainants, so the indictments.
All right. Are you waiving PSI?
We are, Your Honor.
Right. And then in each cause number, and we'll start with cause number ending in 6-8. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 012667. There's Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no reentry to the United States. There's to be no contact with minors and no contact with the complainant. And the cause number 2024 CR 012667, the court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 012668. There's to be no reentry to the United States. Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no contact with minors and no contact with the complainant. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in either of the cause numbers?
Not with regards to sentencing, but the state does have a question after the process.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because the court has followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And there's something you wanted to say, counsel?
Party and then Quentin Francis.
Yes.
You want to do that in the box?
Oh, yes, you can. All right. They're going to read something to you in the box, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.